Good morning, and welcome to a productive day in my life made in partnership with HelloFresh. I recently started training with a personal trainer on Mondays, and for the rest of the week I follow a workout plan. Today was upper body day. It usually takes about an hour and 30 minutes to complete. After I take a shower, I do my morning skincare. The only thing that's really changed since last time is I use the Fresh Soy Face Cleanser in the morning and the Belief Jelly Cleanser at night now. Since I'm filming today, I wanted to use a sheet mask. I have 3 batches of laundry to do today, so I'm gonna get started on it now. A lot of you guys ask me on Instagram why my mirror has Wi-Fi. This is a smart mirror from Hi Mirror. I like to watch YouTube videos on it while I get ready. It has a lot of other cool features too, like skin analyzing and Spotify. I just need you to stay. Today I'm wearing the Love 2 Hazel Brown lenses. My eyes are really sensitive, so even though it says that it's going to expire in 2023, I usually just wear these for about a month or 2. This is what the lenses look like. Matcha lemonade now. Jing. Do you want to get matcha lemonade? Let's see if I like it. Too much foam. Matcha Starbucks. Tastes too milky though. Who wants to play video games? Today's video is in partnership with HelloFresh, which makes cooking really easy. They give you pre-measured ingredients and step-by-step instructions, and it only takes 30 minutes to do. We're gonna try, which one should we try today?
This one.
Yes, the chicken pineapple quesadillas. Ooh. Yeah, I like how everything's pre-packaged because a lot of times I'll go to the grocery store and buy too much and then it just goes bad in my fridge after I don't cook. The last time I cooked was last year when Jenny, my older sister, and I tried to meal prep and we got food poisoning.
Really?
Yeah. So that's why we never cooked again. But this time, maybe this will like be our venture into becoming like functioning adults. Oven to 500 degrees.
Yeah, or we could use a pan that says, not in the mood to heat up in the oven? No sweat, try cooking the quesadilla in a large pan over medium-low heat instead. Simply cook until tortillas are golden and cheese is melted, 2 to 4 minutes per side.
Oh, okay.
Cut
Half
the onion.
peel and thinly sliced onion.
So cut the onion in half and we peel it.
Okay, I'm scared. I don't usually cut.
Okay. I'm scared too. Okay.
That's the spicy part, is the seeds.
Ooh, I dare you.
Okay, let's go.
No, bell pepper seeds aren't spicy.
Oh, I dare you! I dare you! The seed is literally the spiciest.
I like it.
Oh, okay.
I have cooking chopsticks.
Yay.
Look.
That's like as tall as you.
Okay, so I'm gonna give you a little more info on HelloFresh through this cooking montage. HelloFresh has a lot of options to choose from, including family recipes, calorie smart, and vegetarian. It's also very flexible. You can change your delivery days, food preferences, and skip a week whenever you need. The main reason I like HelloFresh is because of the pre-measured ingredients like I mentioned earlier. It's so satisfying to have the perfect amount and nothing go bad in the fridge. HelloFresh starts at $5.66 a serving, but you can use my code JessicaFu80 on HelloFresh.com for 8 free meals, which is $80 off your first month. Thank you so much to HelloFresh for sponsoring this video and feeding my friends and me. Taste test.
Our toppings are all different because we're picky.
Yeah.
Because we're different people.
This always looks the closest to it. Good job. Good job, guys.
Tastes like restaurant.
I'm kind of surprised.
First cooking experience. Congratulations. Congratulations.
Next recipe?
Comment down below on what we should cook next.
I am making café soda. Okay.
Hey, you look cute. You did your hair today.
Wait, con bỏ nước chưa đâu? So today was very productive. I am going to remove my makeup now. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video.